What's up, guys? I wanted to get a walk around of the Revkit LJ, the party wagon. Quite a bit going on here. So they have 42-inch BFG stickies, 20-inch raceline beadlocks, fusion fabricated axles, front and rear, fusion 2.5-ton steering, PSC hydro assist, anti-rock sway bar, Gen right front bumper, or rather that might be Savvy. It's been on there for a few years. Don't quote me on that. Can't remember the name of the company that does it, but he has the carbon fiber hood. We put in some push pins, Gen right armor all the way down, PRP brown and tweed seats, disconnect steering wheel, complete standalone wiring harness with head unit, S-Pod, you'll see why. Middle shifters, midnight transfer case. Exhaust comes out both sides. Had that done by a shop in this Pueblo area. A Gen right rear bumper. Some little armor back here. Fuel cell. Get that rear axle. Fabricated rear axle with rock crawler long arm. A rear Gen right DIY sway bar. A Gen right roll cage. Also powder coated bronze. Sorry if I'm walking around so much and bouncing the phone. 1350 Tom Woods drive shafts. And then kind of the key feature of this. Pretty sweet. Has a Bruiser Conversions 6.6 LX3. Tucked up underneath there. It's a 500 horsepower. New radiators. Rock crawler coilovers. King air bumps. The exhaust, it's actually kind of rad. Let's get under here. Some MagnaFlow mufflers, crossover, and then it has actually exhaust cutouts. Now, granted, since you have two MagnaFlow, single canister straight through mufflers, no resonators, the cutouts almost don't make much of a difference. There's a pretty minimal difference that actually comes out to it. But this thing's rowdy. If you guys want to get some more stuff in case I missed anything, check out Revkit. They actually have an app, and you will be able to upload your own Jeeps or trucks or Toyotas, crawlers, buggies, all of that. And you'll be able to check this one out. They've got a couple rigs, so you'll be able to check out what they have. They have all their awesome pictures, videos of all their wheeling trips, everything. So if you guys have any questions, y'all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, check out Revkit. It's on your phone. Get it set up.